Hi and welcome to Blogsphere. In this video, we will learn all about to purchase a domain and domain life cycle from a Google partners. In the most case, you want to use Google service with your web project or company, but you don't yet have a domain? Don't worry, this video will help you. Purchase a domain from a Google partner. It's important to know that Google is partnered with Google Domains and domains company like GoDaddy.com, Enom.com, and DomainDiscount24.com to offer domain registration to customers. And when you purchase a domain through Google during sign up, you get an account outside of Google with one of those partners. Benefits of purchasing for a partner. 1. Easy email setup. You can immediately send and receive email at your new domain. 2. Auto-renewal from your admin console. You initially purchase your domain for a year. After that, you must renew your subscription with your domain host. You can renew your subscription automatically for your Google admin console. 3. Full DNS control and domain management. Even though we set up your domain for a Google service, you still have full control over your domain DNS settings. You can access these settings to add support for no Google service or to contact your domain host. You can easily reach your external domain host account via your Google admin console. 4. Whois privacy. Partners let you the option to hide your domain information for Whois website or database. 5. Domain locking at no extra charge. Partners provide an additional level of security to protect against unauthorized domain transfer. And the last one, 6. Custom service address. You can reach your service an easy-to-remember address, such as email.example.com or calendar.example.com. And that is all. Thank you for watching and see you until the next video.